going to say something maybe a little unpopular, but I believe that 2015 and 16 is probably the cutoff years, or probably the cutoff years from where Honda went from, you know, practical to progressive. And just the reason why I say that is because you look at this engine in this car. I think they don't even make a V6 Accord, which times are marching on. I totally get, but this is a very nicely styled vehicle. It's not super futuristic, but it's classy. You know, it has nice lines. It's a good looking car, and it's well proportioned, and the roof line is a good height and everything. And then even going back to this is a 2015 Acura TLX, and as you can see, it has a 2.4 liter engine. It's not a turbo engine. And so now you would probably get a 2-liter turbo in this car, which isn't a bad engine, but again, I'd rather have the higher fuel economy or lower fuel economy and just less tech in the engine compartment to go wrong, and less power that you're pulling out of smaller displacement, because rubber seals and rings and things still wear out. And so yeah, this car too is very well proportioned. I do think it would benefit from a V6, but yeah. Really like the new Honda Accord. A previous coworker of mine had one, and this design's really sleek and slim, but I'm not a fan of the pinched back. I first saw that on like a Mercedes. I think it's a CLK. I don't like that. It looks like a cockroach to me, and then it takes from rear headroom. I know it's new, but not really my jam. I'd take a Camry over that just for that reason.